In this episode, we are looking at the best label printer on the market for every price range. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So, for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description. Brother PTD210. This printer comes with loads of features, even at its low price tag. It is preloaded with design templates, which you can edit to create a custom label design. Your customized label designs can be previewed, saved, and recalled later for printing. With this printer, you've got access to 27 templates, 97 frames, 600 symbols, all in about 14 fonts from its one-touch keys. It sports an AC adapter, a case for mobility, and other necessary accessories. DYMO LabelWriter 450 Turbo. This type of printer is particularly suitable for printing shipping labels. It can print up to 71 labels each minute, which is fast enough for your use. This printer does not use ink for printing. Instead, it uses thermal technology, thereby saving you the running costs of ink and toner. You can create or customize label designs on your PC and send it to the printer using a USB cable for clear printing. Brother P-Touch Cube Wireless. This printer comes with the P-Touch design and print app, which is only compatible with an Android or an iOS-enabled device. You can always create designs, customize, and organize design templates from your phone and get things filed down. This app is easy to use and comes with preloaded templates. You can only connect to your smartphone through Bluetooth wireless technology. On the downside, you can't use this device with Mac or Windows PCs. What can you say about our first 3 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comments section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when upload a new video. Now let's continue. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.